so
Audrey, and
me, Corinne, and I'm so excited.
guess what we got in the mail? Squishies! 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 Calm down. Okay, so I guess Corinne wants to go first.
Squishies. Let's just...
She ripped the box, guys. There's like 17 squishies in here.
Okay, so let's both pick out a squishy.
Uh-oh, I see what's my favorite.
An eye bloom! Let's see. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. I love it. I love all these. Look at these squishies. Oh my god.
I wish you guys could just smell this.
This one doesn't actually smell, but that one does. Wait.
I just saw a defect on this.
Oh, this smells so good. This is completely non-defected. Beautiful.
Nope. Okay, so let's set the squishy.
Wow.
Here's the close-up of this slow rising eye bloom.
Oh my gosh, and I smelled it. It smells amazing.
No, it smells so good. Oh,
It looks like a butt. It's a
Yeah.
butt. It's a
Look at
butt. It's a butt. It's a butt squishy. Butt squishy.
But yeah, and then on
So,
to the
here's my
macaroon.
squishy. So it's this adorable macaroon. It's so squishy, except for that dumb, stupid defect. But who cares? It's just still amazing and beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. So it's really squishy and slow rising. I think the peach was a little more slow rising. You know.
Okay, so yeah, let's get on to our next two squishies.
Squishy. Okay, so we still have like a million more squishies. Let's just choose our squishies. Let's pick Taika. Just so happy. There's so much squishies.
frick the frickin' squishy.
Squishy, I found mine. Oh my gosh, this is the best. Oh, it's a toilet paper and I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Look.
Do a close-up of this.
So, yeah.
Close-up of my
It's so
adorable
cute.
little
Squishy.
squishy. So good, so squishy. It's not as slow rising as the last peach, but it's still pretty slow rising. And it's nice, so let's go on to Audrey.
This is my squishy. I think it's like the cutest thing ever. It has like a little lemon at the top there with like a dollop of whipped cream right there. It has some yellow frosting. It's like a little munchy Oreo. And if you guys
It
can
has yellow
see,
though, so it's not an Oreo.
if you guys can like see, there's like dots in it. Well, maybe it's like a lemon flavored Oreo. So yeah,
With
let's,
a dollop and a lemon.
yeah.
so
So
pretty.
let's
Let's
get on
move
to so.
We got so many squishies running.
Yup.
Pick
Okay.
up your squishy.
Pick your squishy.
I see this and he's so adorable. And I just love him. And he's so cute and bigger than hers.
Mine's so cute. It's
So
like a little
adorable.
larva.
Let's just do a little close-up. So yeah.
It's like a little squishy narwhal. And its tail is so good.
So adorable. Okay, let's move on.
Meow, meow, meow.
Meow, meow. Okay, this is just the cutest little whale. Like, look
I know,
at
like,
him.
but it has like squiggles on top of it.
I don't know what these squiggles are. They're
But they're like somebody drew on it or
but
something.
it's not. You can tell it's like the actual squishy, but
Yeah.
it looks like markers when you at first glance. So squishy. This is like so slow rising. It's like as slow rising as that eye bloom peach.
So let's get on to our next squishy. Our
It's
next
gonna be
squishy.
great.
Okay, I think I know which one I'm gonna pick. Which one
I'm
are you
gonna pick this one. It's kind of cool but weird.
What is wrong
that?
with yours?
It's
Mine's so cute.
Hers
It's like
is
a
good.
little
What is this?
brownie.
Like, what?
Oh
It's
my gosh,
so
it smells like
defected.
chocolate. This smells like chocolate.
Defected. Let me smell it.
Let me show them this. Like, look,
so
it has like
disgusting.
scratch marks.
It's just horrible. Like,
No, it's
first
so
of all,
bad.
it's not even that squishy. I mean, it's squishy, but it's barely slow rising. And look at these bumps, and it's like covered in blackness. What the heck? So blah blah. I just hate this squishy. It's horrible. I mean, even if it's
This
squishy.
is the most adorable squishy ever. Like,
You said that about the last one.
no, but like it has a really cute like raspberry on the top of it. It's like melted. I don't even know. But then there's a leaf there, and it's just a really good brownie, and it's scented so good, and it's like kind of slow rising, I guess. I love this squishy. It's so cute. Oh, our next squishies are.
The cat, that is so cute. It's so adorable.
And I have a little burger. So it's good.
Eat it, I dare you.
Okay. If you've seen one of our other videos, I actually do shove this in my mouth.
Wait, was it the burger?
Bad.
Okay, let's go.
Here's the burger. It has like meat here and lettuce, and buns, and then bunnies.
Buns so good.
And then has some sesame seeds there. I just want to pick one up. And it's very fast rising.
The cute little baby. That's technically a cat, so I shouldn't be calling him cute. But he's pretty adorable.
Like
I hate
features.
cats. Cats are butts. But look at that. It's just what the heck?
Is it scented?
I'm gonna die from the scent. I just want to eat it, but then it would be bad. But it smells like I can't even get like what is the scent? Like I feel like it's like green tea, but it has like a.
Here.
It's kind of like I don't know.
On to our next squishies.
Come on, squish! I got. I just picked random for this one.
This one's a banana.
We got two like fruits that. This one's not a fruit. Foods that are vegetable.
That is a fruit.
No, it's a lemon. Lemon is not a fruit.
Yeah, it is. Guys,
Lemon's
comment
a
down below
vegetable.
if you think it's a fruit. Comment down below.
It's
So
a
I have
vegetable.
a banana
Well, yours is a fruit for sure.
Yeah.
But mine is a vegetable.
and yeah.
I think. What is even the difference? What the heck? It doesn't even smell like lemons, but it smells very good. Stop killing me with that
smell it.
banana.
Oh, it
Tragic
smells
death. Tragic death
disgusting.
from a banana. So sad. Murder by Audrey. With the
Ooh,
murder
ooh,
weapon
ooh.
was a banana.
Okay, let's
Look
do
at
the
this. It
close-ups.
smells really good, but it's not like.
Oh, it's so squishy. We've been waiting for like a million years, so. It's a cute little banana. Has green there and green there. Oh!
Next one.
Here's our squishy.
I think I got some. It's very good. It's a. Oh my gosh.
Oh, we both got strawberries.
We are very weird. Well, there's only two squishies.
Three left.
So sad. I want to get more squishies. But there's already a lot of squishies, so that's good. Okay. Ma is good and let's go.
This one's actually really good. I wasn't thinking that was going to be good. It's not an eye bloom, but I think it's licensed. No, it's not licensed. It has a little keychain here, but it's really good. So, yeah.
It's the same thing as hers. I don't really need to say anything.
But, yeah. On to the
Now,
next
one of
one.
the squishies fell out of the box, so we do have 4, so we can have equal amount. Let's get it. Oh, we found one!
Okay. I got
It's an
pineapple.
emoji! It doesn't look that squishy. It's kind of squishy, but it's like not slow rising at all. It's squishy, but it's not slow rising.
Okay, so, like, here's mine. Here's a little pineapple. It's, like, 3 different shades, I think. So, it has, like, these green. Then it has, like, a lighter green. Actually, no, like 4. So, a green, lighter green, this yellow, and then the orange. It has a really cute keychain, but, yeah. And so, it squishes. That. It's really cute.
I just realized it's not really like a squishy. It's more of a stress ball, but it actually smells good. I smelled it. It actually like smells kind of like good. Actually, it's weird. Let's move on. Only 2 left. Ah, the dreads. The dreads. So fucking. Yeah, pretty
it's a
good for the last
cupcake.
2. They're pretty big. Look, this one's a bit big in my face.
This is, like,
Hey, my name's Monkey Guy, and I like to fart. He 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 he. But there. Ba-doo. Okay, yeah.
So yeah,
that's
close.
good.
Here's the cute squishy. It's like tan wrapping, has purple, blue, then like a light pink. It's like a pretty ombre kind of thing, but it's not very slow rising.
It's pretty slow rising.
No, it's kind of like a stress ball, I guess you would say. 'Cause
No, it's
kinda
better than
hard.
the emoji I had.
Yeah. So on to cringe.
It's so adorable, and I love it, and it smells like chocolate. It's so squishy. Look at that. Oh, it's so rising. Oh my god, I know it's so.
Close
Yes.
up.
So cool. You love it. I know. Look how squishy that is. I just kind of squishing.
Hope you guys loved that video.
I'm tearing up.
Oh my gosh.
Squishy.
Get a tissue. Okay. Hope you guys loved and enjoy.
Enjoy.
Bye. Squishies galore.